to make money online the easiest way possible? Creating your own blog has always been one of the best methods, but traditional articles, they're time-consuming, hard to get traction, and honestly, a bit of a hassle. But what if I told you that you could generate a full, high-quality article like this one with just one click? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and solve all the problems of traditional content creation. But you need to act fast. The earlier you start mastering this tool, the better your content will stand out as more people discover how easy it is to generate high-quality articles. So, let's dive in and get your first post up and running, starting with the basics and ending with a fully optimized, ready-to-publish blog post. So we'll be using this tool called SEOwriting.ai. This is an insane tool that can literally bulk create articles like the one you saw at the start. Not only are these articles SEO optimized, but they are perfectly tailored for your brand using their brand voice feature. So head to the site using the link in the Google Doc. Once you've signed into your dashboard, you want to go ahead and hit this one-click blog post option. This allows us to create an article from literally just the title. Once you're on the next page, you can see that we now have some new options. We want to start by entering the main keywords into this box. This is basically what you're going to make your video about, and in this case, I'll go with the best AI tools for content creation. Once your idea is in place, go ahead and hit generate a title. As you can now see, the AI has left us with a title that's perfect for our blog post. Now let's move on. If I scroll down, you can see that we now have a list of core settings that we can change. However, just before we do that, let me show you just how insane this tool is for generation content. So scroll past the core settings and open up the brand voice tab. Basically what this does, allows you to customize tone, vocabulary, syntax, and more to develop a unique style for your articles, tailored to your audience and business needs. So once you're on the brand voice tab, we now have three options for adding a brand voice. We can add text, where we can paste in a text block, we can upload a file, where the AI can analyze your file, and we also have web scrape, which allows us to paste in a link. So if I head to the internet, I'll just go ahead and search for the best tools for 2025. I found this one article here, so I'm going to go ahead and copy its link. Now if I head back, I can now paste in the link to the article. If I hit Create Brand Voice, the AI will begin generating just that. Now if I go and skip ahead, you can see that the AI tool has gone ahead and analyzed this text. It's insane that it analyzes everything from the voice tone to the brand archetype to the target audience. With our brand voice now ready, we want to head back to the one-click page that we were at previously. Now once we're back on here, we want to head to the brand voice section. Now hit this drop down and go ahead and select our generated brand voice. Once this is done, we want to scroll back up and change some of these core settings. I'll start with the article type. If I hit this drop down, you can see that there's many different options to pick from, and I'll go ahead and choose this listicle option. Now if we head over to this article size section, the options range from different sizes, and you can see the different word counts that they'll produce here. I'll go ahead and select this medium one for our blog post. Now if I head down, the next thing we can change is the AI settings. They have a ton of different GPT models, and for this video, I'll just stay with the default model that they offer. We can also go and change the text readability. If you want to target non-natives, I'd recommend lowering the readability. After this, we want to go ahead and change the target country. I'll go with the US, as it is normally the best option. Now you can also have the AI clean your content if you want, under this drop down here. Now if I scroll down, we now have this details to include section. This is pretty self-explanatory. Just type in what you want the AI to add to your video, and it'll put it in here. I'll go ahead and ask the tool to include content about 11 labs, as I know they have a good affiliate program. The next step is the Media Hub. This changes what sort of content will appear on our post. SEOwriting can generate AI images, and I think I'll go ahead and include 5 AI images, as I think this is a good number for our website. We can also go ahead and change the image style. In this dropdown, you can see that there's loads to choose from, and this shows just how dynamic this tool is. I think I'll go ahead and select cinematic for our post. We can also enter our brand name. I'll go ahead and enter my own, but what this does is it'll add branding to our AI images, which is a really cool touch. That's our images done. We can also go ahead and add YouTube videos. I'll go ahead and add 3 videos for our post. The next step is doing our SEO. You can go ahead and enter any keywords that you want into this text box here. I'll leave mine blank, as this AI can do this all for us. The next thing we can do is customize the hook. As you guys know, the hook is the most important part of any project, and luckily for us, SEOwriting can generate one with just a single click. Below the hook, we have some options on the structure of our post. This is highly customizable, and as you can see, you can remove something like quotes with just a click. After this, we can do some internal linking, so you can go ahead and include your website or any links relevant to your content. On the flip side, we also have external linking, which you can actually use this tool to do it automatically. So I'll go ahead and enter a link like my YouTube channel to the mix. You can include things like affiliate links in this section if you want. Next, you can hit Connect to Web if you wish to use this feature. Next, we can go ahead and create marketing materials for each platform. So I'll go ahead and add one for a newsletter like this. We're almost done now, guys. Next, we can go ahead and enable this outline editor. What this does is it has all these features such as a magic bag button, drag and drop, and AI systems. You can pause to read what these do. Lastly, we can go ahead and publish to website. Now, if you have a Squarespace, this is where you want to link it. Alright, that's our settings done. I'll scroll back up, run the tool, and skip ahead so I can show you guys the finished result. As you guys can see, our post is now done. If I click it, we can now see just how insane this tool is. In just a few clicks, we've gone ahead and generated our very own post that's rich in content and incredibly engaging. If you guys think this is insane, just wait till you use the bulk article generation feature to make up to 100 articles just like this. That's literally a year's content in just a few clicks. If you guys want to get started with this tool, the starter plan at $14 a month gives you 50 articles, unlimited words, access to GPT-4 and Claude 3 Opus, bulk generation, a brand voice, and WordPress integration. Use code Wi-Fi25 to get 25% off. If you're going all in, the professional plan at $59 a month lets you create up to 50 articles, which can be expanded to 5,000, unlimited rewrites with the Humanizer tool, multiple brand voices, and includes external and internal linking, with even more features like API access coming soon. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.